Hey Richie, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways that you can use aloe vera to promote the growth of your natural hair, and if that's something that you are interested in, then let's get right into it. Therefore, I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. Mark 11 verse 24, the ESV version. To start off, I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera oil. I'm actually doing an auto treatment today, so this is perfect timing. To start off with the process, I like to trim off the sides and the ends of the aloe vera, and then I cut them into little pieces because we are actually going to soak the aloe vera inside water. You guys know every time I talk about aloe vera, I always tell you put it inside water for at least 30 minutes so that the yellow liquid, that yellow stuff, can come out, because that thing is toxic and it will cause you to start itching. After I extracted the aloe vera, I went to rinse it off underneath the sink a little bit just to cleanse it thoroughly, and now I'm just going to cut the aloe vera into even smaller pieces. The oil I'm using today is sunflower oil, but honestly you can use any oil you have. I've used olive oil in the past, avocado oil, rice bran oil. There's a lot of lightweight oils out there that you can use. To actually infuse the aloe vera into the oil, I'm going to put it on the stove on medium heat, and I'm going to be stirring it consistently. Yes, with this type of stuff you cannot leave them unattended, and you kind of know that your aloe vera is ready when it changes to this color. Make sure it's not that you burnt it. There is no reason why we should be seeing color black in your aloe vera oil. It should kind of have this purplish pale color. I let the aloe vera sit in the oil even after cooking it for about an hour extra before extracting it and then pouring it into the jar, the applicator bottle. Since I'm doing an auto treatment today, I wanted to apply it into this root comb applicator bottle. It just makes everything very convenient for me. There are many ways you can use this aloe vera oil, but today I will be using it as a hot oil treatment, and I'm starting off on detangled hair that is slightly dry. Honestly, as I'm applying it, I'm taking a little bit of water from the sink and applying it to my hair. With hot oil treatment, you essentially just want to focus on your scalp and your ends and just massage it in. It helps a lot with returning that luster back into your hair, and this is one treatment that I love doing, especially in winter. Hot oil treatments are deeply nourishing for the hair and the scalp, and honestly is one of the treatments in my hair growth regimen that I'm always talking about. My hair loves it. Of course, I don't do this every single wash day. I do it maybe once every 3 months in winter. I do it maximum 2 to 3 times a year. Let's talk a little bit about the benefits of aloe vera. So aloe vera contains enzymes that basically helps to get rid of dead skin cells on your scalp, and that is just going to create an healthier environment for hair growth. It is also just very soothing. I love aloe vera because it is soothing. I don't only use it on my hair, I also use it on my skin, and it's just amazing. And it is cheap. You can find it all over the world. In Nigeria, when I was little, we literally had a aloe vera plant in our backyard. My mom used to make us drink it because of its benefits, but it was very bitter. It's amazing for digestions, if you have stomach issues, it contains prebiotics and all that good stuff, but it is very bitter. If you have a bad kid that loves to suck their thumb, or you want to wean them off of breastfeeding, aloe vera might be of help. So I am all done applying the aloe oil to my hair. I actually had some leftovers that I can use throughout the week. Yes, I'm just massaging it properly into my scalp. Honestly, this is the most relaxing part of auto treatment. Just the warm oil on your scalp and just massaging it nicely. Before I jumped into the shower or allowed the auto treatment to sit, I wanted to show you a second way that you can use aloe vera, and this was something that I used to do a lot when I first went natural, is using aloe vera as a Prepoo treatment. So throughout the years, I have found a better detangler for my natural hair. But before I discovered things like flaxseed gel, okra gel, or even using conditioners to detangle my hair, aloe vera was what I used. Every wash day, I had aloe vera plants on standby. My house was never, you could never catch me without aloe vera in my home. Before I found a better detangler, how I would use it was the way I just showed you. Just open up the plant, use my fingernails to make the gel and just apply it to my hair like that, but you are prone to having residues in your hair. I put on my stain cap for about 30 minutes before getting into the shower. At this point, my hair felt very soft. Like, that's one thing I love about hot oil treatment. You can use it as a pre-poo treatment. Like I said earlier, I actually detangled my hair the day before with my flaxseed gel. You guys know I never ever try to shampoo my hair unless it is fully detangled. So yes, the hot oil treatment was applied to detangled hair, and now I'm going to go ahead and start washing my hair because it is a lot of oil. And I know some people were like, oh my god, that is so much oil, it's all over your bodies, that's too much, are you not sensitive, you're gonna break out. This is why shampoos and soaps exist. I really did not want to show like my full wash day routine because like I always do the same thing, you know, a pre-poo treatment, rinse it out, shampoo, deep condition. Like there is not really anything new except from like maybe when I'm doing a treatment. And the treatment at this point, I've showed you all the treatment that I do on my hair, but I wanted to kind of show you a full routine incorporating aloe vera, since that is the focus of today's video. After I drench my hair, now it is time to shampoo my hair. Like this is non-negotiable after doing a hot oil treatment, otherwise you're going to be left with a greasy mess. And you just want to shampoo your hair thoroughly as usual. All the products that I'm using in this video is from my hair care line and Richies. Most of the products that you see from Enricher has aloe vera in it. That is how much I love aloe vera. It also helps a lot with like pH, like balancing your hair's pH. Aloe vera is truly a versatile ingredient, and I feel like every naturalista needs aloe vera in her life. Now I'm going to do my tea rinse. This is a mixture of my leftover egg growth spray with green tea. In the egg growth spray, I had horsetail and nettle in it, I believe. I just warmed that up and steeped green tea in it before applying it to my hair. And the last part of my in-shower wash day routine is deep conditioning. Since I did the hot oil treatment, I kinda went very heavy-handed with the shampoo on my hair. So yes, my hair is in need of moisture. I'm using deep moisture mask from my hair care line Enricher. Again, it's going to be linked in the description box. Let's say you don't have conditioner on standby and you desperately need something to condition your hair. Yes, you can use aloe vera. It's very conditioning. I personally don't really enjoy using it to detangle my hair, but it's a very good option if you needed a last minute deep conditioner. So I left the deep conditioner in my hair for 30 minutes before rinsing it out, and then I put on a t-shirt so that my hair can dry up a little bit. And I'm going to show you how I moisturize my hair with like aloe vera. Like another way to incorporate aloe vera into your regimen is by including it in your moisture routine. So I'm just spraying my hair with a little bit of water, and then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, which is the Utmost Hydration Curl Milk from Enricher. I apply a generous amount of that to my hair as I am in the middle of protective styling. Your girl has been lazy lately, like all she wants to do is just throw her hair in some jumbo braids and call it a day. To seal that moisture in, I'm going to use my DIY aloe vera hair butter. I have a detailed tutorial on this. I'm going to link it up in the cards. But this butter, I made it almost a year ago, and it has lasted me this long, and it's my absolute favorite way of sealing in the moisture into my hair. If you're not a fan of hair butters, you can definitely use the aloe oil that I showed you earlier in this video. It's also going to be amazing for sealing in the moisture. Notice how I keep saying sealing in the moisture. It is because oils actually cannot hydrate your hair, only water and water-based products can. So I like to go in first with like water or like my hair growth teas, and then my leave-in conditioner before going in with the butter or the oil, and that always keeps my hair moisturized for like 1 week at least. I only have to re-moisturize my hair once a week. That is pretty much the end of my routine. I'm just trimming my ends a little bit. I like to do this from time to time just to make sure that I'm getting rid of split ends before they even have the chance to travel up my hair shaft. I hope in today's video you were able to learn a few ways that you can incorporate aloe vera in your regimen. My goal with all these DIY recipe videos that I'm always sharing is to share more budget-friendly way to grow your natural hair. But to finish everything up, I'm going to be going in with my untamed hair growth oil. Aloe vera is one of the top ingredients in it. If you're looking for something very simple, not as potent, you know, just something that you can quickly apply to your scalp and call it a day, you can definitely use that aloe oil that I showed you earlier in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that when next I post, you'll be the very first person to know about it. I love you and Jesus loves you too. Bye, Richie.